How to use your Harvia electric heater. The first dial controls the temperature. Most people will just leave this at maximum. The second dial turns on the heater when you set it to the first 1. You will hear a when it turns on. The heater will run continuously for 1 hour, then shut off. If you wish to add a delay before the heater starts, turn it past the first 1. This will shut off the heater and put it in timer mode. It will count down for the amount of hours you set, up to 8 hours. Then it'll turn on. After 1 hour of heating, the heater will make another and turn off. On the bottom of the heater is a reset button. Pressing this button may solve any temporary issues your heater may be having.